Now we're going to do something a bit more complicated. So we are going to show a comparison for each product of the average waiting time compared to the optimal one. Okay, so we're going to do the following. We're going to, first of all, here again, I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to create a table where I'm going to show here from the data the average for each month of this waiting time. And to do this, I'm going to do the following. I'm going to calculate some product function for the array. Okay, here, select this one, where the condition is month of this equal to month of this month, or this date. Okay, gonna close this, and then I'm going to check this product to be equal to this product. Okay, I'm gonna close this, but this has to be fix the column, and here I'm going to fix the row. So for the I get the dates from this row only, and the products only from this column, and then I can vary for the first case the column, and here the rows. And then I'm going to divide to basically the same function, here this one, you'll see, but where I don't have the sum of this part. Okay, and I get this, which is the average duration per month per product. And the format of this, right click, is time. This one, I'm going to center this. I'm going to copy this, select all this area, and paste. So we have the average. Okay, I'm going to center this, right arrow, and here we are. Now we are going to check, first of all, what is the value that we would like to have for a duration. So we are going to do the following: target. So the target is to have a duration of 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, insert. Okay, target is duration basically, and here we have the minimum, and here we have the maximum of a duration. Okay, so this is equal to minimum of all this duration. I can also copy this and type here maximum. Okay, here is what we want. And for the button, and we have a maximum, okay, of this one. Okay, like this. Okay, we have two targets. Here we'll use also this for the amounts later. In here we have for the duration chart, where we're going to display a comparison between the target and the average or duration for each product per month. Okay, we will see that in the next video.